Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook crab meat. First, let's talk about preparation. When selecting crab, always choose one that feels heavy for its size and has a fresh, clean scent. If you're using frozen crab, ensure it's fully thawed, ideally overnight in the fridge. For live crabs, a humane method is to place them in the freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes before cooking. Now, let's explore popular cooking methods. Steaming is excellent for preserving flavor. Crab legs typically need 5 to 12 minutes. If boiling whole crabs, aim for 10 to 15 minutes, or about 12 minutes per kilogram. For baking, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and cook crab legs for 25 to 35 minutes until heated through. Avoid overcooking to keep the meat tender. To truly elevate your crab meat, consider these flavor enhancements. A simple melted butter with lemon wedges is a classic choice. You can also create a delicious aioli. For a more robust flavor, use a seafood seasoning blend containing ingredients like Old Bay, paprika, and cayenne pepper. Boiling with aromatics such as onions, lemons, and celery can also infuse wonderful taste into the crab. Finally, let's talk about serving your delicious crab meat. It's incredibly versatile. You can enjoy it simply in a fresh salad, tossed into a savory pasta dish, or shaped into classic crab cakes. For appetizers, consider a warm, creamy crab dip or a comforting bisque. Pair your crab with sides like crusty bread, sweet corn on the cob, or perfectly roasted potatoes for a complete meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.